Hey guys, it's Shauna Masala here again. I wanted to give you guys an update about my BLUSHIELD device, which I installed a month ago, and I wanted to tell you the effects and the positive benefits that we've been seeing. If you guys didn't see what is a BLUSHIELD, it's basically a EMF protection device that you can plug in, and it protects you from like harmful radiation that we're exposed to every day. If you want to learn more and you want to see how I installed it and everything the first couple days, check out this video up here. And yeah, let's get started. So I wanted to tell you guys, it's been a month and it's been super awesome. I feel like I have a lot more energy. I work from home, so definitely there's a lot of benefits. You feel less tired. I feel like I can be on the computer longer. I do a lot of phone calls and video calls, and those normally drained me before the BLUSHIELD device. And yeah, now I'm feeling super energized. There is a detox effect. The first 4 days, I was having like headaches and lightheadedness and dizziness, and that's just like your body detoxing from the heavy metals. But I would say I would super recommend getting it. It is helping block the harmful radiation, especially because nowadays we're exposed to so much. If you want to check it out and buy it, you can. What I got was the Tesla Gold Series plug-in. You can see in the description below the actual device. If you're in the US, I have the link below. If you're in Europe, they as well have their own sales for that, and I can send you the link so you can buy it from Europe. The device is totally worth it. It's worth the investment. They also have like a portable that you can carry around with you, which I just personally didn't have the money at the time to do that, but the plug-in is working amazing, and I really am looking forward to telling you guys more about my journey. If you guys have questions, ask me in the comments below. I know a couple other people from the other videos, they enjoyed hearing about how the detox was, so I hope that this is a little bit informative for you. My mom also got it, and she's how old is she? She's 61. Her and my stepdad didn't have any detox effects, and they live in LA where there's a lot of 5G. So that just means that maybe their bodies were already detoxed. They are vegan, so that's like a steady detox every day. But yeah, sometimes people have the detox effects, but they're never really that crazy. Another girl commented on my video, the last video I had for the BLUSHIELD, you can check it out here, and she basically said that she was kind of nervous the first week because she was having really bad detox effects, headache and everything, and during Corona crisis, she thought she had coronavirus, but it was just the detox effects, and she got a little paranoid. So she basically said, you know, it was a little scary, but I was fine. She didn't have corona or anything like that. So if you do have a headache, don't worry. It's a little normal. It's your body getting rid of the chemicals and everything. Subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.